Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a video recording or a video clip on your Xbox Series X. And this is really easy to do. So I'm in Destiny 2 right now, and I want to go ahead and just record a video of this. Now you can do it two different ways. You can record what is happening currently, or you can record what happened in the past. So just press the Xbox button on your controller, and you can see these options right here. You can press Y to take a screenshot. A screenshot was taken. Let's go back to that. Then you can press X to record what happened. So let's press X to record what happened. Video clip saved. Or we can go to capture options by pressing the button with the two different squares on it. Otherwise, we can go on over to where it says captures and shares. And then we can go to start recording. So let's start recording right now. So I can run through here, and I believe it will only record for like a minute, but you can change how long it will record for. So we can go back to that screen, and then we can go to X to stop recording. Looks like I can record up to 4 minutes. So let's press X to stop, and the screenshot is now saved. So if we go back over to captures and shares, we can go to the recent captures right here, and we can view it, or share last capture. We can see that there. So you have the option to record what happened, start recording, or you can capture screenshots under here. So let's go to recent captures now, and we can see what we recorded. So we can select it now, and this is what it looks like, and it's going to bring us to this section. It's just me turning around, not a lot's going on. But if we go back over there, we can see all the captures. Let's go to recent captures and go to show all. And it'll bring you to this page where you can see everything that you recorded. So here's on Xbox console. Let's switch over to that. So this stuff has not uploaded to Xbox Live or wherever. You can see it's uploading over there. So we can switch back over to Xbox Network, and we'll see everything once it's uploaded. So you can share it now, you can view it. You can copy it over to your USB device, upload to OneDrive, rename it, delete it under here. But it's very easy to record video clips on your Xbox Series X. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.